Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this classic makeup look which suits every skin tone and every occasions out there. So let's begin. So I've done my skincare and we'll start priming our face. So I'm using a primer only in my T-zone area. The products used will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can check it out there. Next we are going to use foundation using a beauty blender. I'm not using a full coverage one. This is a medium coverage foundation. Next we are going to use a concealer to cancel out the darkness, which is mainly under eyes, eyelids, around the mouth, and we are also going to highlight the center parts of the face. After blending the concealer, we are going to set our face. I'm going to bake under my eyes and the places where I have applied concealer, and going to set with the setting powder the rest of my face. So next up we are going to shape our brows and fill in. With small light strokes we are going to fill in our brows. After filling up brows, I have cleaned the edges off camera, and now I'm going to flick off the excess setting powder. For contour, I'm just going to contour my nose. It depends on you and your preference, that if you want to contour your face, then you can do it. To bring some warmth to the face, I'm using a bronzer to bronze my face. And for the blush, I'm going to use a peachy coral blush. And for the wing eyeliner, I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner for a precise wing. And for the lashes, I'm going to use a coat of mascara. To define the crease of the eye, I'm going to use a very light brown color only on my crease line. And for that classic red lip color, I'm going to use a liquid lipstick. To set the makeup, we are going to use a bit of setting spray. And for the pop of glow, I'm going to use a flat tip brush and going to place my highlighter and blend it with my fingers. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.